Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the device and taking the first actions now. Update firmware and carrier settings so performance is predictable. Once done, pick 4 GHz for broader coverage versus 5 GHz for throughput. Place the phone or hotspot on a shelf, clear of metal objects and microwave ovens, and keep it elevated and centered in the space. Make sure Wi-Fi tethering is set to a fixed channel if possible. This reduces roaming interference. Then check signal reach before deeper changes. Next, focus on hardware and advanced settings to expand usable range. If your hotspot supports external antennas, attach a directional or gain antenna and point it toward the dead zone. This boosts effective range without changing power limits. Then set a single low overlap channel and narrow channel width to 20 MHz. That lowers noise and increases reliability. Reduce active clients, turn off Bluetooth and unused radios to reduce RF clutter, and consider a small travel router as a repeater for seamless coverage. Finish by validating coverage and locking in settings so your changes last. You test signal strength across the area using an app, then reposition the hotspot to the sweet spot. Once happy, secure the SSID and enable sensible power policies to avoid throttling or overheating. Monitor carrier data limits and thermal warnings. If issues persist, restart the device and swap channels. If still broken, factory reset as a last resort. Most often, a restart or channel change fixes interference problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.